Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making both devices discoverable. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then open Control Center. Set AirDrop to everyone momentarily so nearby devices appear. This increases detection range. Once you see device names, note any unfamiliar or likely matches. Make sure to watch the list for a minute. AirDrop advertises only while screens are active. If you find a candidate name, keep the sender visible and proceed to verify identity with the visible device. Next, verify by initiating a harmless request. Tap the device name to trigger a transfer prompt. The displayed name often includes first name or device model, which helps narrow choices. Once a request appears, check model hints and the time. Ask the person to send a tiny file like a photo to confirm it's the correct device. If they accept and send, you have matched the AirDrop identity to a person. If not, repeat scanning with everyone briefly and observe changes. To finalize, accept the small test file and inspect its metadata, date, file name, or embedded info to confirm the sender. If you still can't find the person, move closer, change orientation, or try a different room. AirDrop range is limited and line of sight matters. If discovery fails, restart Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, toggle AirDrop settings, or reboot the device. One key troubleshooting tip: set AirDrop back to contacts only immediately after verification to restore privacy and prevent unintended exposure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.